Make $1,000 a week with print on demand beginner guide. Imagine making $1,000 a week without holding any inventory, pack, packing box, or dealing with shipping. Sounds too good to be true. Well, it is possible with print on demand. In this video, I will show you exactly how to start a print on demand businesses as a beginner. You don't need any experience and you don't need a big investment. By the end of this video, you will know how to create and sell custom products online and make money every week. Make sure to watch until the end because I will share the best free tools and a strategy to help you succeed. Step 1 is what is print on demand. Print on demand is an online business model where you create design and sell them on product like t-shirt, hoodies, mugs, phone case and more. The best part, you don't need to buy or store products. When someone orders from your store, a supplier prints and ship the item directly to the customer. You only pay when you make a sale, which means no upfront inventory cost. This is one of the best passive income businesses because once your designs are uploaded, they can sell over and over again. Step second is choosing the best free print on demand platform. There are many print on demand platform, but the best free ones are Redbubble, completely free and has built-in traffic. Teespring or a spring, no cost to start, great for selling on social media. A spread shirt, free marketplace for custom designs. Printify and Printful, free to use but require integration with an online store. If you don't want to build a website, start with Redbubble and Teespring as they already have millions of visitors searching for products. Now, step third is finding profitable niche and designs. Not all designs sell well. The key is choosing the right niche. Go to Google Trends, search for trending topics, Pinterest and Instagram. Look for viral design ideas, Redbubble and Etsy bestseller. Find products that are already selling. Some of the best niche for print on demand are motivational. People love inspiring t-shirt. Pet lovers. Design about dogs and cats sell well. Fitness and gym. Workout related shirt have high demand. Funny and meme designs. Viral humor sell fast. Sensational and holiday themes. Christmas, Halloween, and Valentine's Days. Pick a niche that you enjoy and that has proven sales potential. And step 4 is creating your design for free. You don't need to buy or be a professional designer to make money with prints on demand. Here is how you can create design for free. First is Canva, free design tool with templates and Photopea, a free Photoshop alternatives, and creative fabric. Get ready made fonts and graphics. Kittle, AI powered design tool for print on demand. Start with simple text based design because they sell well and requires no advanced skill. Just use bold fonts and catch phrases related to your niche. And step 5 is uploading your design and setting price. Once your design are ready, upload them to your chosen platform for pricing. T-shirt $19 to $29, hoodies $39 to $49, mugs $14 to $19. Make sure your price leave enough profit after the supplier cost. If you use print Printify or Printful, connect them to an Etsy or Shopify store and sell directly to customers. And step 6 is getting free traffic and sales. To make $1,000 a week, you need traffic. Here is how to get free traffic. First is TikTok and Instagram Reels. Post short videos showing your designs. And second is Pinterest. Upload products image with keywords. And third is Facebook group. Join niche group and share your products. And four is Etsy SEO. Use trending keywords to rank higher. And five is Red Bubble and Teespring tags. Optimize product title and tags for search. Focus on viral style marketing on TikTok and Instagram. Many sellers get their first sale from a single viral post. And step 7 is scaling to $1,000 per week. Once you start getting sales, here is how to scale. First, launch more designs. The more design you have, the more chance to sell. Create collection. Bundle similar design into themed stores. Offer limited time promotion. Run sales to attract more buyers. And automate order fulfillment. If using Printify or Printful, automate your store. The key to long term success is consistency. Upload new design every week, follow trends, and optimize your store for better visibility. Now you know exactly how to start a print on demand businesses and make $1,000 a week. Which platform are you going to start with first? Let me know in the comment. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more online businesses ideas.